Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So it's been going around town, you guys, that it is hot girl summer and I am here for it. I am all ears, all eyes, all everything for this hot girl summer. Now sis, I'm not talking about no cash money, millionaires, hot girl. They looking for a hot girl. I'm talking about we out here on our grind, okay? We are working, we are traveling, we are living our best lives. Now, you guys, a lot of you girls are just like, oh, it's hot girl summer. You know, I'm gonna put on this sexy outfit. I'm gonna be a thigh down, honey, a sugar daddy. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. But honey, hey, it is not about that, honey. If you listen to Megan Thee Stallion, she said hot girl summer is anything. So you either spending time with your kids, you are hustling, you are grinding, you are traveling, you are just living your best life. You out here getting a bag, hunty. I'm going to give you a nice hot girl summer look, you guys. So get ready. On your march, set, let's go. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, make sure that you guys go right now, click that subscribe button and that bell so you are notified when I do upload videos. Because if you are feeling this video, you're feeling this video, you're liking your girl, you're going to want to see more. Because I'm only going to give you more and more each and every time that I post a video. So let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. So before anything, you guys, I always clean and I moisturize my face and everything. I'm currently right now, a face product, you guys, that I'm using is called Curology. I am using it to help clear up any spots or anything on my skin. This freaking ring light is making my face look so like it's so broken out, and it really isn't that bad, you guys. I think I just need to get better lighting. But anyways, you guys, so I went ahead and did that to my face. I am going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter Primer and prime my face before I add on my foundation. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay, my eyeshadow primer, and I'm actually going to prime my lids so that way it's getting set and sewn before I add on my eyeshadow. Next I'm going to go in with my Kylie Jenner. This is a concealer. This is her concealer. This is the shade color Almond. Yeah, I got as close as I could to my skin tone, you guys. I'm going to go under my eyes just to cover up any of my dark spots or any spots that are showing on my face. I do not want that to come through my skin when I have my makeup on, if you know what I mean. And we're going to blend that one out, you guys. You guys, so next I'm going to go in and I'm actually going to add a setting powder over. I'm going to add a setting powder to my concealer before I add my foundation, you guys, because I don't want any of my oils to come through my foundation, you guys, and I am not the only one who does that. So you guys can look at some of these other bigger YouTubers, Jackie Aina. She does it on her video, you guys, too. So I was so pleased to see her put this white setting powder over her concealer before she has foundation to give her a nice glow and a nice flawless finish. Yes, girl. Yes, yes, yes. I'm here for it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm just going to say, y'all, don't come for me about this process right here, because if you have oily skin, like I'm telling you, it's about to give you so much life when you add on your foundation onto your skin. I'm not even lying. Like, so much life. Your T-zone, you know, that nose, your chin. You don't want to be shy. You can't be a hot girl. You can't be out here in hot girl summer and your face is oily, dripping sweat, looking dewy. Oh, no, honey. You in hot girl mode. It's hot girl time. Now, you guys, I am going to do my eyeshadow first before I add on my foundation. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is going to be the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill. This is the Ring the Alarm. And I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I wasn't gonna use Jaclyn Hill's palettes no more because after she came out with that video with those lip glosses or lipsticks, you know, and they were half messed up, and then she gonna do that poor ass, you know, sorry, you know, I'm so sorry you guys, but that wasn't me. Oh my god, no, I didn't do that. I would never do that. Girl, have self-esteem, because that's not how the way you approach your audience when you are talking about your own products that you already made, and you know you did that. So how can you get mad at us, you know, and try to give us, throw us shake, throw us attitude? But that's okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette because I do like the colors in it. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna play around with these colors to look a nice hot girl summer look, and yeah. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna start out with the Rush, and then we're gonna go here, which this color is the Alert, and then we're gonna go over to Boom to give me a nice little shimmer. Definitely have to build these up with her palette, you guys. I mean, I'll be doing this for like 10 more times in order to get a decent color that I'm looking for. You had the nerve, honey, to go and give you a little speech a couple months ago about those lipsticks. No, I was expecting more from you, Jaclyn. I really was, you know, I was expecting more from this palette, from those lipsticks, from your brand. And you just had to come for us. You came to the house and you cannot do that, honey. Next, I'm going to go with this color here that is Alert. It's more of like a rustic orange, you guys. Very, very pretty. I'm actually liking the shade. Alright, you guys, next I'm going to go in with my MAC MC45 concealer. I use this for my brows, you guys, and I absolutely love it. If you don't have it in your makeup bag, make sure you go and copy some of this. I like to do this for my cut crease, you guys, because first and foremost, it's really, really thick. And it's easy to blend in without leaving any smudges or any marks, and it gives you like this nice little cut crease. You guys, so once I am done cutting my crease to the best of my ability, we're going to use the color on camera, this gold sparkly color. I think it's absolutely pretty, and I just love gold. Gold and orange match together. They do. So I'm going to use my setting spray, you guys. I'm actually going to just like wet my brush just a little, just so that color can actually stick onto my brush, because again, this palette is not as pigmented, and it doesn't really leave a good stay on the face, so I gotta build this up here. Go back in with that color Alert, and I'm actually just going to start from my corner and just kind of blend that in so it almost gives like a nice ombre effect. Alright, you guys, so once I got done putting my lashes on and doing my winged eye, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance. This is the Color Perfect Liquid Makeup, you guys. It's supposed to be more of your full coverage. This is color Mocha Honey, 8416. You know, this is pretty good. It's not too bad of a foundation. It came like this. I don't know if this was supposed to have a brush to it. Maybe someone took it off and it's just this little flimsy thing. So I just kind of rub it up against my face, you guys. And then I blend in with my brush or my beauty blender. In this case, we're going to use a brush today. But yeah, it's pretty good, you guys. It is perfect blend, ideal for all skin types. So it's not necessarily matte, but I'm going to turn it into matte like I always do. But it's really, really pretty decent for a drugstore brand of a foundation. So, and I actually like the Black Radiance contour palette, you guys. I have that contour palette and I use it all the time. So I don't know why I'm stepping up my freaking tippy toes, like looking at this mirror here when I should be looking right here. But yeah, you guys, it's not too bad. Alright, you guys, so next I'm gonna go in with my holy grail, L'Oreal Palace Infallible Full Wear Full Coverage Concealer, not foundation concealer, you guys. If you have not checked out this concealer, honey, you need to go and get you some. This is like so bomb. It's really full coverage, you guys, and it just blends well with any foundation. And I like to use it for my highlight, you guys. I normally go about 2 to 3 shades lighter for my highlight. So I highlight underneath my eyes, my nose, and my chin. I'm going to use the end of my beauty blender, you guys, just to kind of blend that out some. Alright, you guys, so our final steps to this hot girl summer look, hot girl summer look. I'm actually gonna do a nice like matte lip, and I'm actually gonna do like a nice like blush, nice like gold, bronzy, glowy, just kind of give us a nice little dewy shine without the dew. If that makes sense. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to go in with my brown lip liner, and I'm actually going to use this Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick by Yasss Chocolate. It's by L'Oreal. For some reason, I'm loving L'Oreal. You guys, it smells like chocolate. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys have been able to try out their chocolate collection, but I have like a pink matte like this. I love the way this goes on the lips, so let's just go ahead and get to it so y'all can just see it, okay? You guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this, first of all, Makeup Monday and this hot girl summer. I hope that you guys are enjoying your hot girl summer, and I hope that you're actually doing things that you enjoy, that you're loving, that you're passionate about, and I will see you guys in my next video. I don't even know how I did that. I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're feeling your girl. Bye now.